Hello everybody. This is a simple trick, nothing fancy but interesting enough to put a little bit of depth to your deckings there. This is only one step that I have, but you can just multiply it by the number of steps that you need. And as you can see, it gives a very interesting look to your stair, but just adding a 45 cut at the edges. As you can see, these two pieces of decking, and that meets the legal requirement and the physical requirement of the step. In my case, I use one of each color, which makes it even a little bit more interesting. You can see the cuts here, and then after is the edge, or the edging is even a third color down here. Is dark gray and clear brown. This is another part of the decking. It's not finished yet. You can see some pending corners to be cut, but I wanted you to see same principle. 45-degree cuts. Actually, in this case, is outside. You can see the cuts, and on this corner is going to the other edge. But see how interesting it looks. We have a 90-degree cut at the bottom, then this one crossing, and it adds a lot of depth to your full piece. We have another level here. Actually, you can see is the bottom level, then second level, third level, and those are regular steps. It's interesting.